It's a Friday, guys. Hi, I am the AfroGirl, and welcome to MX Breaks, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. We start off with the Executive Secretary of the National Film Authority, Juliet Asante, who is charging Ghanaian filmmakers to produce good movies and to stop saying that the movie industry is dead. According to her, the movie industry is doing amazingly well. More than 20 movies have been released this year, and she has watched most of them, and they are incredible. She went on to encourage movie producers to do more because the industry needs compelling stories told. She added that any producer who sits there and complains simply has nothing good to offer. Guys, moving on to the music industry now, Kwame Eugene has addressed the criticism of his fashion choices, explaining that his humble beginnings have shaped his priorities. In a recent interview, he shared that growing up, his family faced financial challenges. They didn't have much, and so when he found success in the music industry, his priority was not to spend on fancy dresses. He disclosed that his mother and siblings still resided in a modest one-bedroom apartment in Fadama, even as his fame and fortune grew. He explained that it made it impractical for him to allocate substantial resources to expensive clothes. The question now is, do expensive clothes actually influence someone's style? Can't you wear expensive clothes and still not be fashionable? But yeah, moving on to some sad news, the actor Sir Michael Gambon has passed away at 82 years. He was best known for playing Professor Dumbledore in 6 of the 8 Harry Potter films. He worked in TV, film, theatre and radio over his 6-decade career. According to his family, he passed peacefully in the hospital with his family by his side following a bout of pneumonia. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Now to our last story. Now, Stonebwoy has released his new music video. He's calling it Manoji, and it features Angelique Kidjo, and it's from, his recent album, The Fifth Dimension. Guys, you know how I always say, it's on YouTube. Go watch the video, run up the numbers. The music video is amazing, and you can tell that they put in a lot of effort, a lot of work into creating this. So yes, beam to the world, beam to the whole Yasi. Yeah. But guys, that's about it. That's how we wrap up MX Breaks with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do. Everything entertainment and lifestyle, we've got you covered at MX24. So give us a follow on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.